Hi guys, this is Jabiri. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to visit the Park Street in Tamil Nadu, the historic waterway connecting mainland India to Rameshwaram Island. Here stands a monumental achievement of Indian engineering, the new Pamban Bridge. This structure is a testament to India's engineering and visionary infrastructure development. Inaugurated by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi on the auspicious occasion of Ramanavami on April 6th. The new Pamban Bridge holds the distinction of being India's first vertical lift railway sea bridge. At 2.07 kilometers long, this marvel replaces a century old icon, blending rich heritage with cutting edge innovations to transform regional connectivity and maritime harmony. And the story of the Pamban Bridge began long ago, tracing back to 1914. It was constructed by a British engineer as India's first sea bridge to connect Rameshwaram Island with Mandapam on the mainland. For over a century, it served as a critical lifeline for pilgrims, tourists, and trade. The original bridge was a technical marvel of its time. It utilized a cantilever structure with a rolling lift spanned double leaf bascule section that could be raised manually to allow ships to pass through. Each half of the lifting span weighed a massive of 415 tons. Operating this manual lift requires 30 to 45 minutes and a team of 30 to 40 persons. The structure faced relentless environmental adversity located in a highly corrosive marine environment susceptible to cyclones. Tragically, the Pamban area was hit by a fierce tidal wave during the 1964 cyclone. The old bridge miraculously withstood the event, though 126 out of its 146 spans were washed away. Legendary engineer E. Sridharan led the massive restoration effort, completing the task in just 46 days. However, by the early 21st century, the old bridge could no longer meet modern transportation demands. Ultimately, due to severe corrosion and significant weakening of the bascule section, rail transportation was permanently suspended in December 2020. And the increasing volume of rail traffic, the need for faster and safer connectivity prompted the government of India to sanction a replacement in 2019. This was a project that would be technologically advanced, durable, and future ready. The mandate was clear: construct a state of art sea bridge that could accommodate a growing traffic, endure durability, and facilitate smoother maritime navigation. The project was entrusted to Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, a Navratna public sector undertaking under the Ministry of Railways. The objective of this new Pamban Bridge included enhanced transportation, allowing for heavier rail traffic and faster trains, and maritime integration, enabling larger vessels to pass without disruption, and ensuring durability with a projected lifespan of over 100 years with a minimal maintenance. The new bridge is designed for a maximum efficiency and longevity. It features 99 spans of 18.3 meters each and pivotal vertical lift navigational span measuring 72.5 meters. Crucially, the new bridge is a 3 meters high when compared to its predecessor located about 12.5 meters above the sea level. This added height allows smaller ships to pass underneath without requiring the lift span to open. For larger vessels, the 72.5-meter navigational span can be lifted up to 17 meters, providing the clearance of 22 meters above sea level. The vertical lift system represents a significant technological leap, while the span weighs a staggering of 660 metric tons. The lifting mechanism employs an ingenious counterweight system. This system uses 310 metric tons of steel and counterweights suspending of 620 metric tons of the span of total weight. This automated process allows the span to be raised in merely 5 minutes and 3 seconds, a drastic improvement over the old manual system. And this is designed for modern rail demands. The new bridge's substructure is built for two tracks. Though the superstructure initially accommodated a single line, trains can now travel at a speed up to 75 kilometers, a vast increase from the previous limit of 10 kilometers per hour on the old bridge. And durability is guaranteed through modern materials including stainless steel reinforcement, high-grade protective paint, fully weld joints. A special polysiloxane coating ensures protection from corrosion in the harsh marine environment, contributing to its anticipated long lifespan.
ஒரு பாலம் உலகம் கவரும் பாலம் அதிசயம் பாலம். மூன்று பக்கம் கடல் நீரின் சிரிப்பு, நான்கு காற்றில் அலைகள் ஆடும் திருப்பம், ஐந்து படகுகள் அலை மேல் நடனம், ஆறு வானத்தில் பறக்கும் குருவிகள் கனவு, ஏழு நிறங்கள் சூரியன் பொழியும் வண்ணம், எட்டு ஒளியில் பாம்பன் கண்ணோட்டம் தனம், ஒன்பது கீதம் ரயிலோசையின் தாளம், பத்து மனங்கள் மகிழ்வோடு பார்வை கழிப்பு, இணை பாதையில் சாலை ரயில் நட்பு, கடல் தாலாட்டில் பயணம் வாழ்வின் நட்பு. பாம்பன் பாலமே பேரழகே பேரொளியே, கடலை தாண்டி கனவை சேர்க்கும் வேடை. பாம்பன் பாலமே பேரின்பம் பேரன்பே, நீலம் கடலோடு சங்கமம் செய்யும் வணக்கமே. அலை அலை சேர்ந்து பாட்டு பாடும் நேரம், மீனவர்கள் குரலில் வாழ்க்கை ஓவியம், சூரியன் மறையும் பொற்கதிர் சீலை, இரவின் நிலவோடு பாலம் ஆகும் மாலை மாலை. ஒரு உயிர் வாழும் பாலம் நீ எப்போதும், இரண்டு கண்களில் நினைவாய் நிலைத்திடும். பாம்பன் பாலமே பாடலானாய் இன்று, காலம் தாண்டியும் தமிழின் கீதம் நீயே.
The new Pamban Bridge is more than just infrastructure. It's a symbol of India's ability to blend tradition with innovation. Overcoming substantial environmental, logistical, technical challenges, this state of the art vertical lift railway bridge stands as a proud testament to the nation's growing infrastructure capabilities. While it is India's first vertical lift sea bridge, it proudly joins the rank of other iconic global structures known for their engineering excellence and unique design. These piers include the Golden Gate Bridge in the United States, the Tower Bridge in London, and the Øresund Bridge connecting Denmark and Sweden. With its modern design and commitment to durability, the bridge revitalizes a critical transport link, allowing a larger vessels to pass smoothly and accommodating heavier, faster rail traffic. As trains and ships are now set to pass effortlessly over and under this magnificent structure, the new Pamban Bridge serves as a powerful reminder of what can be achieved when national vision meets engineering determination. Thank you for watching. We'll catch up in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
ஒரு பாலம், உலகம் கவரும் பாலம், இரண்டு கரையை இணைக்கும் அதிசயம் பாலம், மூன்று பக்கம் கடல் நீரின் சிரிப்பு, நான்கு காற்றில்